Ayan guys, yung almusal natin ngayon, pandesal with palabok. Yummy yummy guys. Almusal muna tayo. Habang nakaupo, kumain muna tayo ng palabok. Ayan guys, so. Yummy. May kasama pang pandesal guys yan. Wala pa yung ating kape. Nag-iinit pa tayo. Kaya palabok with pandesal guys. Good morning everyone. Comment, subscribe sa your channel ko. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye. Happy morning everyone.